Tuko sawa.
Now, Elgeyo FC emerged the winners of the first edition of Raia Cup held at Iten grounds in Elgeyo-Marakwet County. Elgeyo defeated Kimuron FC in the tournament that brought teams from 4 sub-counties in the county. Organizers of the tournament say they will introduce a girls category in the next edition.
We started it and we knew we were going to face a lot of adults. We started from the sub-location level with around 257 teams, 257 teams, and now we have the last 4 teams here and the last 2 playing the final. So I want to say this was a way of bringing the county together. It was a way of bringing our young people together. So a way of making sure that we develop talent from the grassroots. When I was helping the president to develop the bottom-up agenda, we said we want to do everything from the grassroots. So I said I should not be talking. I want to do it by actions, and I think it has shown that it's possible to nurture talents from the grassroots level. What you saw yesterday in Kakamega when Kibet was doing some good work, it means we can even do much better if we do this across the country. So I want to say that I started this with faith that we are going to transform the young people. However, it has turned out to be bigger than what I thought. But I want to say this is the first. I want to ensure that it's going to be bigger and bigger next year, and ensure that we even add a few, even for the women league. We also have the women, and we ensure that we transform the lives of our people and ensure that talent is developed.
Now, John Osogo Secondary School from